In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Wrike. So if you want to switch Wrike to a different language, you can do it in just a few clicks from your account settings. So here's how. Open Wrike on your PC. Click your profile icon at the top left corner. Now what you need to do is to go to Settings, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go to Profile, and in Profile, you need to scroll down and stop under Language and Region Settings and hover over language. So click on the drop down arrow, choose your preferred language, and click on Save Changes. And changes usually apply instantly, as you can see that the language has been changed. If not, you can refresh the page, and the language applies only to your account. Available languages may vary, and some parts may remain in English. And that's it. You've successfully changed your language in Wrike and can now use it in a way that feels more natural and intuitive. So this is especially useful if you're collaborating with global teams, working with clients from different regions, or just want to reduce confusion while navigating tasks, projects, and dashboards. A familiar language can actually help you work faster and avoid mistakes. That's how you can change your language in Wrike. Thanks for watching.